wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. When I tell y'all 2022 was definitely a year for the books, the amount of times I have had to say, like, I really just did not have that on my bingo board. I've said it a couple times now in videos, and here I am to say it again because I definitely did not have Tarte Cosmetics. I feel a sneeze coming on. Ooh, okay, because I definitely did not have Tarte Cosmetics making its way back into the beauty community's good graces with this one product on my bingo board. If you want to know what I'm talking about, let's go. Okay, now, if you are an OG, you've been here since the start of the whole online beauty community thing on social media, then you know what I am talking. Can my heat not? That'll turn off in a few seconds. But anyway, we're gonna get through this video, okay? You guys know what happened a couple years ago with Tarte Cosmetics. I want to say it was late 2017, early 2018, around there. They launched the anticipated Shape Tape foundation. They had the ever so popular Shape Tape concealer, very popular amongst a range of skin tones. So when they announced they were coming out with the Shape Tape foundation, people were like, oh my god, I've been waiting for this, we've been asking for this, blah, blah, blah. Then they showed the actual shade range of the foundation, and that was like the catalyst of just everything that has happened in the beauty community since then when it comes to shade ranges and brands being inclusive. Because if you guys remember, that was like when people finally put their foot down and said, this is ridiculous now. Y'all put out 7 shades in a foundation and expect deeper complexions to either fight over that one NW45 or just no shade for you, move on to the next foundation. You know, people were legit like canceling Tarte. You know, the whole, we're gonna throw the products away, we're gonna speak out of it, I'm not gonna buy it anymore, I'm not gonna show it anymore. At some point it was giving. Some people were definitely like calling the brand out of fear, because at that point it was so strong, the fire that they were in was so strong that it was like, if you showed yourself promoting Tarte in that moment, like, it probably was not gonna end well for you. So a lot of people, it was given, you're only saying something because you're in fear of being canceled as well. But I mean, I would say for the most part it did something. I guess it did something. Here we are years later. You know, we went through the whole brands fighting. Maybe it was Fenty. It might have been Tarte and Fenty. People being tired of shade ranges like Shape Tape, and then Fenty Beauty launched. Also, when did Fenty Beauty launch? It's been 5 years. I can't do math. So 2017 as well. So Fenty Beauty launched, and then brands saw how much love Fenty was getting, how quickly Fenty sold out, that we got the whole, everyone was competing. Well, we have 50 shades, we have 60 shades, we have 100 shades. So, you know, I think all of it combined did something, but for the most part, Tarte never really bounced back after that. They did try to do the whole, you know, damage control thing. They had come out, but it didn't work. It wasn't good damage control, because they had said, oh, well, you know, I got like, we'll be putting out more shades for a different season, because this was launched in the winter, and you know, people tend to get like paler, or you know, because you're not in sun as much. But it's like, I'm black year round. Like, I might be a little, you know, darker in the sun because I'm out in the, but no, like, I'm black year round. I understand putting shades out by season, but okay. So they tried that. They tried, you know, there was a point where they're going around seeing if there were any deeper complexion content creators that wanted to try other products they had coming out. There was, at some point, there was a little buzz for them. They had like a bronzer coming out, but after that, it really did just become one of those brands where it was almost like you just talked about Tarte to laugh at Tarte. You weren't taught. It was definitely not the same brand that was dominant in 2015, 2016. If you guys remember, Tarte, Too Faced, Anastasia Beverly Hills, like, they were those girls in the beauty community, okay? Between the trips that influencers were going on and people wanting to watch the vlogs, and it's almost like, well, I want to do that. I want to go there. I wish I could go on a brand trip. The PR packages, they're nice, they're decked out. You know, you got a vacuum coming in with your eyeshadow palette. The packaging itself of the products, very cute, very this, that, and third. They were one of those girls, but they never really recovered after that. Like I said, they had a couple launches where people were, maybe I might want to, but for the most part, especially, you know, amongst makeup consumers, it was real quiet for Tarte after that. So imagine my surprise when I'm on TikTok the other day. Now here's the thing, I'll be telling y'all in my downfall videos, if you are a brand that had some type of scandal, some type of cancellation on YouTube, you know, like it's been 5, 6, however many years since then, and you never really bounced back after that, I've been telling you, get your behind on TikTok, okay? One, it's a new crowd over there. You know how people be saying it's a kiddie app, which I rarely get like children or teenagers on my For You page, but it is an app that became more popular because it was a younger demographic on there, right? Well, it's a younger demographic. They either slightly know or they don't know anything at all about the scandals that you had in 2017 on YouTube. So that's one, it's a younger demographic as well on there. But two, the demographic that does know about the situation that's going on over there, who might have canceled you, who might have done, they are now over there on TikTok and they're not bringing it over there because we're kind of in a place where I feel people don't talk out as much as they did like before on YouTube. You know, I feel like that crowd has gone over to YouTube and now, again, you know, they're having kids, they've started their own businesses, they've moved on, like they don't want the drama, as people call it, which it was always funny because like leaving certain skin tones out isn't drama. But anyway, that's not the point. But if you notice it, like over there, the whole makeup community over there, they don't go as hard when it comes to calling brands out, right? The whole idea of TikTok is to keep it real lighthearted, you do not have to try as hard over there. Just lighthearted, fun. So you're not really gonna get the same type of energy that you were getting on YouTube when it came to calling brands out and all that stuff over there, right? So mix that combination of new crowd and the crowd that does know is at a point where they don't want to go so hard to talk about anymore. And here you have it, where I am on TikTok the other day and I am now getting tagged. I'm telling y'all, I cannot remember the last time I had multiple people tagging me to try a Tarte Cosmetics product. I really had to look like, y'all, you sure? You sure you want to be on this? But okay, but I did look into it, and so all of that to say, there is a new product from Tarte Cosmetics that has the girls talking, okay? They want review videos, they want to see how true it is, and it is selling out. Also with TikTok. TikTok is gonna sell a product out. As soon as someone makes it sound like it's the best thing since sliced bread, everybody and their mama gonna go running, right? So, on to the actual product, right? Oh wow. Oh wow. I bought this maybe, I don't think it took a week since I saw it and since I made the order. Every shade is now sold out. Mind you, I had to get the shade that I had because they already had 2 or 3 shades sold out. But this is the Tarte Cosmetics Maracuja Juicy Lip and Cheek Shift. This retails for $24. And the thing that has everyone going crazy, everyone raving about it, everyone trying to see like, is this true? So the selling point behind this is that this is a lip and cheek shift where once you put it on, it's also why I have no makeup on right now. Once you put it on, it is going to transform to the perfect pink lip shade for you and the perfect pink blush shade for you. Now, listen, the brands, they know how to be getting themselves back in there, because even if you do remember the whole foundation thing, the whole point with the foundation was that it did not have shades for everybody, right? So now you come out with a product where something in the formulation, I'll read the actual, you know, info about the product, but now you got a product where something in how it's formulated creates the perfect shade for you. Okay, Tarte. Okay, I see you. I get credit where it's due. All right, but like I said, every shade is now sold out, and it certainly has not been a week since I was tagged in the videos, like the review videos that I saw on TikTok. What shade is this? This is in the shade Blackberry. And details what it is. So it is a pH powered lip and cheek tint shifts like magic into a custom pink shade. What it does, universal lip and cheek color changes with your natural pH levels, creating your perfect shade. Each color will shift to the same pinky pop, drenches skin in lasting juicy color and shine. Hyaluronic acid, superfruit complex for plumper looking lips and cheeks. Keeps lips and cheeks conditioned till you take it off. Let's see. How to use. Don't need a lot, just 1 dot for an instant flush of color. Layer to intensify, adds as a top coat to any lipstick for a max shine. Okay, so now open this up, try it out. And of course, I forgot a mirror, so okay. Wait a minute, hold on. Because y'all see it turning pink. All right, let me try it as a blush. And I guess just so no blush. I just want to see something. Like, what color does it swatch? As soon as I do give credit where credit's due, but I am also an avid Tarte hater. So it might be hard for me to get the words out. But I feel like if a perfect pinky shade had to be made for me, especially because y'all know I naturally have dark lips, like the actual shade of my lips is dark, I feel like that would probably be it. Now I'm trying to imagine that with a full face of makeup on. It's giving they might have done what they had to do with this product. Also, the blush. Now this, would I wear this with no makeup on? On my lips? Probably not, only because like it's pink. I mean, you could, but I probably would, it'd be more of like a full face of makeup on for me. But as a blush, if you wanted to, you know, add a little something to your cheeks, you could definitely do that. I feel like it's naturally giving what I would look like if I was capable of blushing and you could see that I'm blushing. They might have actually really done what they need to do with this product. The only thing is though, crazy enough, it's not feeling greasy on my cheek, but my lips, like when I do this, like it's not greasy, but like almost too slippery. It did say a little goes a long way. I'm not sure if I technically put on too much, but it's slipping, it's moving. So how does it transfer? It does, but when it transfers, I feel like it doesn't transfer that pink color. Listen, it's giving a little, okay, all right, it's giving thrown off. I don't even know where to go with this because I was not expecting that. But now when I did see this was the shade I had to get because of the options that were available, I thought, okay, well, since it's this color, won't it just be like this shade on my lips? You know, if you buy a red gloss, you're gonna think, okay, it's gonna be red on my lips. They do have a blue shade, a green shade, a yellow shade, an orange shade, all that stuff, right? But that's also why, like, I swatched what it looks like coming out of the tube and what I swatched what it looks like if I tried to blot my lips. The fact that, like, you see how this color is not the color that's on the back of my hand, which also has me thinking maybe it is this whole like pH balance type thing. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, Tarte got your girl a little speechless. I don't really know what to say. I don't regret buying it because, like I said, I feel like this one would be a nice color for my skin tone. Full face of makeup. It'll also probably be a nice lip topper because y'all know I don't wear just one lip product when I do wear it. So it'll probably pair nice on top of other lip products that I wear. And like I said, you can probably just wear this as a like blush shade, and it's not greasy, it's not sticky, anything like that, without other makeup products on your face. Okay, Tarte. All right. Now, that's not me saying I'm gonna run out and go get all the other stuff that you buy, but one, this is my job. People want to see how it works. I guess see how it works on my skin tone, and two, my thoughts on their way back into the beauty queen. Because like I said, as you can see, it's only, I want to say I bought this over the weekend, maybe Saturday, and today's Friday. I received it yesterday, so. And everything, and now everything is sold out. You have to get notified when it's going to come back into stock. So, okay. And that's why, again, in my downfall videos, it's very rare for me to be like, yeah, this is it for them, because I feel like there's always going to be a way back in to your target audience, right? Whether it's some time, whether it's something innovative, whatever it is, like I feel like there's always, because some brands do go out of business. But for a lot of brands, there's usually a way back in. And I feel like this was it for Tarte because, like I said, now I'm intrigued. Now I kind of want to see one of the other colors. And it's like, is it because you're this shade? Or if I buy blue, will blue do the same thing? And also now I'm thinking about it, like, what's the difference between... Because if they all change to your perfect shade because of your pH, like, what's the difference in having a blue and orange? You see what I'm saying? Like, why do you have different shades if they all do the same? Does it say that? Oh, maybe some of them have different ingredients because I'm seeing hyaluronic acid. Or is that why? Like peach, blueberry. I'm thinking maybe that's why they have different shades. So like the different shades have ingredients that will do different things for your lips. I don't know, child, but yeah, the girls are talking about Tarte once again. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know if you now have any interest on trying this product or seeing what else Tarte has released in the last few years. If you're still like, I am good on Tarte Cosmetics, let me know all that in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.